Good afternoon, students. Welcome to science class. Children, till now we have discussed about food making in plants. Today we are going to conclude our chapter, children. We already know what is chlorophyll. Again I am repeating, chlorophyll is a green pigment present in the leaf. Leaf blade is a flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade. Then photosynthesis is the process of making food in the plants. Where does the photosynthesis happen? Below the leaf. Okay. And stomata. Stomata means a small openings present on the lower surface of the leaf, which absorbs the carbon dioxide and leaves out oxygen. It is having pores inside it, through which it releases gases. And starch is the food stored in the plants. Okay. Now we are discussing activity 1 to know the importance of sunlight in the food preparation. Take a 2 potted plants. Place one in dark room, that is in the absence of sunlight, and other in the open place. Notice the 2 plants after 15 days. What will happen if there is no sunlight? There is no food. Yes, chlorophyll absorbs the sun rays and then traps it and then converts it into sugars. No. So, sunlight is very important. See, in the 2 potted plants we can see clearly. One is nicely it is looking. Yes, it is green in color and it is appearing like living plant. But the other is going to dry because no food. No, if there is no food, the plant will die. Yes. Now, activity 2. To test the need of air for the plants. What is air? What is the use of air? Air means it is a mixture of gases in which the carbon dioxide is very important for the plant growth. Yes. See, now what we are doing? Take 2 potted plants, place one in open air and other wrapped in a air tight polythene bag. Other pot what we are doing? We are tightly wrapping it. అంటే కట్టేస్తున్నాం అన్నమాట, అస్సలు ఎయిర్ పోకుండా. You will observe that the plant in airtight polythene bag will die after 7 to 8 days. So, here we are finding that air, that means presence of air is very important for the plant growth as well as sunlight. And air has carbon dioxide which is important for the preparation of the food. Now this one, activity 3, to test the need of the water for the plants. Now sunlight is important, air is important, and now we are seeing that water is important. What is the need of water? Xylem is the, did you remember? Xylem and phloem are the two tubes present in the plant which absorbs the, xylem absorbs water and phloem absorbs the food materials. Yes. Now take 2 potted plants, place both of them in the sunlight and open air. Pour water in one plant only. You will observe that the plant which has not been watered will die. Yes. If there is sunlight also, if there is air also, if you don't water, it will die. So, water is very important because even we cannot live without drinking water, no? Likewise, plants also cannot live without water. Now, we are seeing that sunlight, air and water are very important. These activities show that air, water and sunlight are necessary for the growth of the plant. In the absence of any one of them, leaves cannot prepare food and the plant will ultimately die. Okay. As mentioned earlier, plants make their food in the process in the presence of sunlight, water from the soil and carbon dioxide from air. This process of making own food is called photosynthesis. So, photo means what? Light. Synthesis means putting together. So, photosynthesis. Plants put together what? Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and all those things and make their own food. The starch of the sugar in the plant food which is stored in either leaves, fruits, stems or root. That part of the plant are only fruits and vegetables where the excess of starch is stored. Okay. I hope you have understood this lesson, children. Children, here you have to remember the terms chlorophyll, xylem, phloem, stomata, photosynthesis. Now what you have to do means you have to learn the definition of photosynthesis and you have to post it. Okay. Thank you, children. Children, one more thing. You have to, now we finished drawing and writing. No, now we will write the question and answers. Okay. And there are few things here. Unscramble the following words and all. Put the tick mark. All these things, no need to write in your classwork. Only question and answers will be writing in classwork. Okay. Thank you.